Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a long screenshot, so a scroll shot here at the iPhone 15 Pro. This works of course also for the 15 Pro Max. Okay, to take a screenshot we will need the side button here and the volume up button. So press these both buttons for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you want to have a long screenshot, maybe you're from this website, then yeah, look at first what you want to have here on the screenshot, and then just take the screenshot with the side button and the volume up button, as we have learned already, and then you have the screenshot. To have a screenshot now, just tap on the preview, and now you can choose between the screen, so what you see right now, and the full page. Important is, if you take the full page, that you have opened it before, that you have scrolled down to the point you want to have. If not, you have sometimes here some points in black if you haven't charged it before. Okay, after you can also crop it here with this point. And you can choose the part you want to have. And if you have the part you want to have, just go on done. Then confirm again on done to save it. I can choose between to save it in the gallery, so at the photos, or to save it as a PDF file made to the iCloud. Okay, I want to have it in my photos, or at my photos, just go then on save to photos. And it is part of my gallery. And we have to find now your screenshot here at the photos, of course, and here it is visible at the library. By the way, if you take a screenshot, you can see it also here at the albums. It's an own folder only for your screenshots. But screenshots are not visible here. You can only see the screenshots. So if you want to see the screenshot, you need to go to the library. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, show you maybe something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.